Guys, this is Brian back with the Hedera Hashgraph HBAR update. This is HBAR on the 8-hour chart, and right now as I'm making this video we are down 1.28%. Alright, we are still waiting for Bitcoin to make this move. I have a couple great things to show you here before we dig into this chart. Alright, and we'll get back to this in a second here, but first off, right here, Hedera Hashgraph price prediction. The bull's waiting for momentum. Yeah, that is absolutely certain. The price of the coin is below the 20, 50, 100, and 200 day moving averages. The current price of HBAR is approximately 0.06956 cents, with a decrease of around 3.96% during the intraday trading session. The pair of HBAR and Bitcoin is at 25.41 and has declined by 3.66% in the past 24 hours. The buyers must increase the buying and decrease the selling pressure to maintain the price of the HBAR crypto, so that investors can move to either side easily. However, it would be challenging for the bulls to give prices an upward momentum without proper action. It says here the HBAR price was moving upwards, but with a recovery curve. The increasing price of HBAR coin indicates the acquisition of the buyers. The downward momentum might be challenging for HBAR and will require a significant effort to overcome. If the token gains an upward trend, the price may reach the primary resistance at 9 cents. And if the bullish trend persists, then we could go up to 11.5%. And if the bulls call it off, then the price may reach the primary support of around 5.5 cents, and it may drop down to 3.5 cents. Okay, it goes down here. The technical analysis of HBAR. The relative strength index is moving toward the oversold zone, and investors must monitor its movement to see if it moves towards neutrality. The price of the token is below the 20, 50, 100, and 200 day moving averages. HBAR investors are eagerly waiting for any directional change over the chart. Absolutely. I think when and I see Bitcoin doing it, breaking that 29,000, and I see it dragging everything up. All right, here's a pretty cool tweet these guys put out here. 6 billion mainnet transactions. Okay, 17 days, 1 billion transactions. Hedera mainnet. Hashgraph technology and our incredible ever-growing community is showing Web3 the true potential of DLT, driven by real-world apps and utility. Okay, they put this tweet out maybe 2 weeks ago now, but 6 billion transactions. That's pretty impressive. Here's your top 100 for the day. A lot of green out there, you know. And there's HBAR down 1.3%, and there's some pretty decent green out there. You know, Phantom's shooting for its target up there. Theta hit its, but yeah, pretty decent day actually. But the market cap is up 2%. Volume down is it's down 5.94% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is dropping a little bit more at 0.75%, and we're still at a 62. We're still in the green. Here's the top gainers and losers from CoinMarketCap. And you can see on the right-hand side, these aren't real big losses. I mean, not at all. I mean, I think there's 25 coins in that row there, and the biggest one is down 3%, you know. So, not there's Hedera at 1.98, you know. And on the left-hand side, you know, nothing huge, but yeah. Pretty decent day. Trust Wallet, that one there, it's a pretty good token to hold. But HBAR, all right, let's dig into this chart. Let's put these support and resistance areas back up on here. Okay, we're still trying to get up to this zone right here. All right, I want to show you guys something that we all got to keep an eye on. Is this dollar index? Okay, I'm going to put it on the let's put it on the 1 week here, so you can see what's going on with this thing, because it has dropped down through. It had this massive fall off, okay? It had to bounce back up. This former support, it got rejected now as resistance, and it's heading back down to this area here, okay, which is pretty massive support. If it breaks that, you know, it's got a long ways down here. You know, I mean, I guess it could catch through here, but that's still leaving a pretty good drop from there, you know. So I keep an eye on this thing every day, but it is in the green today. All right, if we put it on the daily, that RSI down there at the bottom, it looks like it might be getting ready to make a run. So the dollar might have a little bit of momentum in it here. I would have kind of expected to pull back up to a 618 or 702 on this fib, and then decide what it's going to do from there. But back up to the 103, 104 area, especially with that daily RSI down there reset. The 8-hour is down at the bottom, and the 12 is down at the bottom. So that could affect the prices of crypto over the next day. And Bitcoin, rising dollar means the stocks and crypto is going to hurt a little bit over that. So let's get back to HBAR here. Okay, and on the 12-hour, we just about have the RSI reset down there at the bottom on that thing. Let me get down there for you. I apologize. Right down there, that thing is almost reset. The daily RSI is on its way down. The 4-hour is down at the bottom, and the 1 is down at the bottom. So I'm expecting this thing. We are right at a 618 pullback for a fib. Okay, we broke this. We got our price target out of that first move, but this thing, let's put a Fibonacci on here. We are right at that 618, the golden pocket area right here. So I'm expecting this support to hold up at roughly 6.5 cents. Okay, if it doesn't, then it's coming down to the 0.061 area, because that's the next major support down here. I don't believe it's going to go down there. I really don't. So it's down 2.63%, and I will keep an eye on this rest of the day, guys. I hope you have a great day. Please hit that subscribe button. And thank you so very much for watching my video. It means the world to me, and have a great day. If we get some price action, I will be back.